students, I'm just showing you the how to find out this U and V. I'm just trying to show you the parallax. I don't know it is clear to you or not. Yes, you can see the inverted image. Now once I'm moving it, both are moving in opposite direction. To remove the parallax, what you should do, you have to alter the position of the object pin. A time will come, if we move this, they should move with the same speed. Now they are not moving with the same speed. And again I'm telling you, like electrical experiment, don't be impatient. You have to do it, to try it moving this object pin. Otherwise you will not get it. You can see holding a mobile phone and I'm trying this. It's very hard for me right now to achieve this parallax free condition, to reach there. So again I'm showing you, if we move, they are moving in the same direction but not with the same speed. So I'm trying, if we can able to make it, it's very good. Let's see. Again you see the object image pin, it is slightly upright right now. If you want, you can put it downward direction by doing so. Now you can easily see this. It need to be lifted a little bit, slightly. Holding a mobile, it is very hard for me right now. See, this is a problem. Now you can see the tip also. Tip should be matched properly. I know it is not done properly, so we have to do it by moving vertically upward and downward direction. So by moving this pin, you have to make sure that they should move with the same speed, same direction. You can see there is a slight movement in the object pin. See what I am moving? This one. Now see the tips are matched nearly. Only thing is this, you have to move this upward direction little bit. See, now it is better, I think. The upper pin, you can see they are moving same direction but with a relative acceleration. They should be moving in a same speed so that the acceleration should be 0. So by doing so, you can able to achieve this. I think it has been removed quite a bit, like not like previous one. I'm trying hard to do this. So in that fashion, you have to do it. You have to remove the parallax. I think students now will have a fairly good idea about how we can remove parallax using this pin. Here also, if the lens is also moved like this, so if it is straight, you will get a straight image. Yes. Okay, students. So even though the parallax is not achieved properly, but still by using this you can remove the parallax and you can find U and V from this particular scale, right? So I think students, you will be like the video here, and optic experiment, it has been slightly clear to you, and should be motivated. You will be motivated, highly motivated in fact, to do the experiment after this lockdown period. Thank you very much.